Put a what on my car?
Hey y'all, this is the same day as the Can You Be My Kid's Stepdad public interview. So I'm at the library right now. It's like 11:30ish. Alex supposed to be picking me up at 1, so we're gonna be pranking him. Y'all probably wondering, like, why am I sitting in the back seat? I got out the car and I realized I didn't do an intro yet. So I was like, let me just get back in the car real quick. Sit in the back real quick, whatever. Do a little intro, whatever. I don't have any ink right now. I gotta go in here and print out this piece of paper. I told Justin to help me. Justin is getting picked up by Alex too. I think Justin is getting picked up first. I think he's getting picked up at a park. I was trying to see, should Justin go ahead and put the piece of paper on the back of Alex's car first? Or should I just do it when he come pick me up from my house? I'm trying to see how I'm going to do it. Like, if I'm going to get Justin to get out and do it, but how I'm going to get him the piece of paper. Unless I take him the piece of paper now. I really don't got time. He told me instead of just putting Honk at me, put Honk at me for my birthday. It's not Alex. It's not Alex's birthday at all. I'm going to get back with y'all when I figure everything out. Hey, I printed some papers.
Okay. Do you have the guest pass or library card that you used to log in? Thank you.
Thank you. I have a question.
Yes.
So do you think if I put this on the back of somebody's car, people will like be able to read this? Do you think it's big enough?
I think so.
Think
I
so?
feel like it's sizable.
Okay, thank you.
Sunlight going crazy.
It is. Small flavor.
Appreciate you, J-Bo. You're amazing.
So yeah, we in the car now.
You sound distraught. Please do that shit again.
We in the car. No, cause I don't know, cause the helmet is like, I don't know. I think that should have worked. I ended up getting a helmet cause I couldn't find like I was looking for like a styrofoam little circle little thingy. Hobby Lobby ain't have it. The Walmart ain't have the size I needed either.
It's 2:43. Remember that.
I was supposed to get them.
Why did it just take us 20 minutes to do all that?
Yeah, you're tripping.
Bro, you know?
Yeah, you're tripping.
Like 500 feet. So they like these.
Can I get another one? These are good. These are my favorite.
You guys say 50 minutes? Y'all want to see how much I want to cut down? Lady check! Bitch, I'm hot, bitch, I'm hot, bitch, I'm hot. Shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress, shake your dress.
Alex!
Hold on, tight hell. You! Get back on jet.
Okay, I gotta tell you something, Alex. I put a sign on your car.
Put a what on my car?
Listen. I put a sign on your car when you were stop looking like. Listen to me. When you were in Big Lots, I put a sign on your car, right? That said honk at me, but you was driving too fast.
You don't do this pocket.
So that shit left. That shit left?
No, it's still on there, but we getting in Jared's car. So my thing is,
You better hurry the fuck up.
Huh?
You better
Is
hurry
he here
up.
already?
No, he's on the way. He's literally down the street.
Okay, well, I'm gonna tell you like.
We gotta go, man.
But I need help, like.
We gonna distract Jerry.
We need to go take it off, cause he gonna see when he pull up.
So
Come on, we gotta go take it off your car.
Okay.
Huh?
You didn't even tell me to stop because you get copyright. Somebody blew the horn, but
One person. That's why I was
when
like,
they
what the
blew it,
fuck?
I was like, okay, you gonna let me get over? So when he didn't
Yeah,
let me
you
get
said
over,
they was gonna let you get over.
I was like, bro, why you gonna let me get over?
You need to. Huh? That's what I'm saying.
I was driving 5. Don't get my tag.
I'm gonna blur that.
I was driving from 85 to 100. Come on, take it off real quick. Hurry up. You taking that bit off slow as hell.
I was like, what if I... How we gonna... Who gonna put it on there?
You?
Me?
Yes,
What I'm
making
gonna
a
say?
story.
Oh, okay.
Let me give you keys.
It's for his channel. What are we doing for his channel?
They finally went all the way in the store. Still outside. Now, that should be good. I feel like Jared will be like more reactive.
Man, you know what today is, bro? What? What is that?
I was looking for this.
And it was stuck in your hair. What you looking?
6 hours later.
You vlog, man. Stupid right now. Somebody just like blew their horn or something. Talking about blew their horn, I blew mine back like 2 minutes ago.
So come up to the back of the car and look at the back of your car.
Honk but we only got one honk because I pushed 90 to 100 down the fucking E-way. And only 3 people did it to you. When the... Yo, oh, we lied. We lied. But don't say what I tell you. When we walked in, we got it. That's when.
I only heard one nigga honk at me.
Yeah. People don't pay attention. People don't really care. But I think
Yeah, I only heard one nigga honk at me. That I honked at them back.
it was 2. Yeah.
When did you? Oh, I thought this was a ticket or something.
Jared will be like more reactive.